From the earliest myths about water as a window to other dimensions, mirrors and reflections have fascinated humankind. They are portals, distortions, and illusions all at once. In the world of contemporary art and immersive installations, this fascination has evolved into breathtaking environments where light, glass, and infinite reflections create otherworldly experiences. These works transport us beyond physical boundaries, making us question the line between reality and illusion. This classmate brings together the most extraordinary mirror worlds and reflection illusions ever created, from the dazzling universes of teamLab to the timeless mirror rooms of Kusama, alongside groundbreaking works by artists like Eakin, Devlin, and Anish Kapoor. teamLab Borderless, Crystal World Tokyo. One of the most dazzling examples of immersive light and mirror illusions is Crystal World, a highlight of teamLab Borderless in Tokyo. Visitors step into a room filled with hanging LED strings, glowing like an infinite curtain of crystals. Mirrors on every surface multiply the space into a seemingly endless galaxy of light. The magic lies in its interactivity. As people move through the room, the crystals respond with shifting colors and patterns. The sense of walking through a boundless universe of shimmering stars is overwhelming, making Crystal World a defining experience in digital art. Kusama, Infinity Mirrored Room. The souls of millions of light-years away. Few names are as closely linked to mirrored universes as Kusama. Her installation, Infinity Mirrored Room, The Souls of Millions of Light-Years Away, is one of her most iconic works. The room is lined with mirrors and filled with tiny LED lights that flicker like stars. Stepping inside feels like floating in endless space. The lights shift and pulse, creating the illusion of infinite galaxies unfolding in every direction. Kusama transforms a finite room into a boundless, cosmic dreamscape. teamLab, The Infinite Crystal Universe, Tokyo. Another iconic creation by teamLab is the Infinite Crystal Universe, a room where technology and mirrors blend into a cosmic illusion. Here, guests can even use their smartphones to influence the patterns around them, sending new constellations, waves of light, or galaxies spiraling into existence. The mirrors create infinite extension in every direction. The room feels not just like a gallery but like an actual voyage into the cosmos, with every reflection multiplying into universes beyond imagination. Kusama, Aftermath of Obliteration of Eternity. Another breathtaking Kusama work is Aftermath of Obliteration of Eternity, which uses golden lanterns reflected endlessly across mirrored walls. The effect is deeply meditative, evoking the fleeting nature of life and the eternal cycles of time. Unlike some of her other infinity rooms, this piece feels solemn and reflective, drawing from Japanese traditions of lantern festivals. Its shimmering infinity is less about spectacle and more about transcendent beauty. teamLab Borderless, Light Vortex, Tokyo. At teamLab Borderless, the light vortex immerses visitors in a spiraling tunnel of shifting colors and mirrored infinity. The walls and floors blur into luminous currents that seem to pull people into a whirlpool of light. The reflections expand the vortex infinitely, creating the sense of falling through endless tunnels of color. It's both exhilarating and disorienting, reminding us of how fragile our sense of orientation can be inside mirrored illusions. Phoenix Art Museum. You are getting obliterated in the dancing swarm of fireflies. In Phoenix, Arizona, visitors encounter one of Kusama's most enchanting infinity rooms. You are getting obliterated in the dancing swarm of fireflies. Small points of colored light float in a mirrored chamber, creating the illusion of being surrounded by fireflies on a summer night. The reflections make the fireflies multiply into thousands, stretching endlessly into darkness. It's both playful and dreamlike, transporting viewers into a childhood memory magnified into infinity. teamLab Planets Tokyo, Ultimate Tour, Mirror, and Water Worlds. At teamLab Planets Tokyo, the journey through mirrored and water-filled environments creates one of the most fully immersive reflection-based experiences in the world. Visitors walk barefoot through shallow pools where projections ripple like stars across the water's surface. The mirrored ceilings double the illusion, making it feel like walking through the universe itself. Combined with mirrored rooms filled with glowing sculptures and infinite reflections, the tour makes people part of the artwork. It's a full-body immersion where water, mirrors, and light dissolve the boundaries of physical space. Eakin Mirage. Artist Eakin created Mirage, a house-like structure made entirely of mirrors installed in desert landscapes and later in various locations worldwide. The mirrored walls reflect the surrounding environment, blending the house seamlessly into its setting. In the desert, Mirage became almost invisible during the day, reflecting sand and sky, while at sunset, it became a kaleidoscope of shifting colors. Eakin's work is about illusion in the real world, architecture dissolving into its reflections. Yayoi Kusama, Infinity Mirror Rooms, Tate Modern, London. At the Tate Modern in London, Kusama's Infinity Mirror Rooms have become a cultural landmark. These installations, variations of her mirrored universes, continue to draw massive crowds. Each room offers a slightly different experience, some filled with glowing lights, others with hanging orbs or cosmic reflections. Together, they showcase how mirrors and light can endlessly reinvent the idea of space, offering viewers an infinite world within a finite room. As Devlin, Mirror Maze. British artist and stage designer as Devlin created the immersive Mirror Maze, an installation where mirrored walls, poetry, and light combine to create infinite passages. Visitors lose track of where the real room ends and the reflections begin. The maze captures the tension between clarity and disorientation, making people reflect on how easily perception can be manipulated. It's a theatrical approach to mirrored worlds that blends architecture and narrative. Yayoi Kusama, Chandelier of Grief. Chandelier of Grief is another Kusama infinity room, where mirrored walls reflect a rotating chandelier into infinite dimensions. The repetition transforms a familiar object into something cosmic and surreal. The installation explores how repetition and reflection can turn ordinary objects into overwhelming illusions, emphasizing Kusama's lifelong fascination with infinity. Dallas Museum of Art. All the eternal love I have for the pumpkins. Pumpkins have long been a central motive for Kusama, and in the Dallas Museum of Art, visitors encounter all the eternal love I have for the pumpkins. The mirrored room multiplies glowing polka-dotted pumpkins into endless fields. The work blends Kusama's playful aesthetic with her obsession with infinite reflection, turning a whimsical subject into a cosmic experience. teamLab Planets, Floating Flower Garden. The Floating Flower Garden in teamLab Planets Tokyo creates an illusion of walking through a living, mirrored Eden. Thousands of suspended orchids move up and down, parting to allow visitors to walk through. Mirrors multiply the flowers infinitely, creating a dreamlike immersive environment. Unlike static installations, this garden breathes and responds to human presence, blending natural beauty with reflective illusion. Anish Kapoor Sky Mirror. Sculptor Anish Kapoor is renowned for his use of reflective surfaces, and his work Sky Mirror is one of the most striking. A massive concave mirror installed outdoors reflects the sky above, creating a living, shifting artwork that changes with weather and time of day. By bending and framing the heavens, Kapoor transforms the everyday act of looking upward into a monumental reflection illusion. Random International Rain Room. Finally, Random International's Rain Room uses reflection in a unique way. In this installation, rain falls continuously inside a mirrored space, but sensors stop the water wherever a person walks. Surrounded by mirrors, the rain seems to fall endlessly into infinite space, while visitors remain mysteriously dry. The Rain Room blends natural elements with reflection, creating an illusion that feels like a dream, walking through infinite rainfall without getting wet. The future of mirror worlds. From Kusama's infinity rooms to teamLab's digital galaxies, from desert mirages to rain-filled illusions, mirrors and reflections have become portals into alternate worlds. They make us question perception, scale, and our place in the universe. As artists and technologists continue to experiment, these illusions will only grow more interactive and more immersive. The mirror will always be more than a surface. It is a gateway to infinity. Which mirror world would you most like to step into? Would it be Kusama's endless galaxies of lights, teamLab's infinite crystal universes, or perhaps Doug Eakin's Mirage dissolving into the desert? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to keep exploring the world's most extraordinary illusions, be sure to subscribe. The reflection has only just begun.